trees are absolutely amazing. This trunk is coming out of, this is another tree right here, but this live oak is coming out of the ground right next to this other live oak. And look at this dadgum thing. It is supporting all of that weight. I mean, it's going way out to there, all the way up here. And this thing is at about a 45-degree angle. I don't know if you can tell that from the video, but this thing has got a massive growth angle. It really needs a peripheral crown reduction at the very least. Maybe even some supplemental support, maybe some bracing running from that other tree to this one. Primarily because of this target right here that would, when this thing fails, it's definitely going to crush this end of this trailer. It's one good reason you need a certified arborist to come out to your property to assess your trees, see if you need anything done. We're here today to take this dead one down, but I'm going to talk to this customer about this tree, see if he wants anything done to it. It's hot out here today, guys and gals. 115-degree heat index. Today is July 27th, Monday, 1:36 in the evening. Once we get this one done, we're going home. This is our third job for the day. Battiste Tree Service, give us a call for all your tree service needs. We're licensed and insured, fully insured with workman's comp. We're certified arborists, and we are veteran owned and operated.